This four-door, six-passenger truck leads among competitors in its segment. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: one-touch window functionality, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, and power windows. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.